Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Taylor Farms teriyaki, veggies and noodles and sauce meal kit. So we've got everything that we need here. We've got some cooking oil. I'm going to use olive oil. We've got our meal kit, some scissors to open everything up, some tongs, and then we've got a wok. You could also use a large saucepan for this. But first thing we're going to do is turn and heat our wok over medium-high heat and let that get going while I open this up. All right, so I dug out our sauce packet and our noodle packet. We're gonna set those aside for right now. And now that our wok has been heated up a little bit, we're gonna set down our veggies real quick and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to your hot wok. I'm just gonna eyeball this, but follow your intuition on it. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our veggies all in. And we're just gonna use our tongs to stir this around and saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right guys, it has been 4 minutes in the pan for our veggies. We're just gonna take our noodles right now and just kind of score the edge of this so that it vents. We're gonna put this in the microwave for 45 seconds to 1 minute. So I'm just gonna split the difference and say around 53 seconds. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, our noodles just came out of the microwave. I'm gonna open these up and then we're gonna pop them into our pan. Now we're just gonna use our tongs to separate those out and mix them in with our veggies. Next, we're gonna add in our sauce and just drizzle it all over the top and mix it in. All right, now the rest of the instruction just says to cook your veggies to your preference. So I'm gonna give mine another couple minutes, but effectively this is done. So if you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.